We'll guide you through how to download and install the TikTok mobile app. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do because you can then go and start watching TikTok content, and you can go and start creating your own content as well. It's a really popular app, so it makes sense that you want to go and get it. So to get started, you need to go and find your phone store. So I'm using an Android, you've got the Play Store. On an iPhone, you've got the App Store. So go and find the store. Open it up. The fastest way to go and find it is to come down to the bottom and go and press search. Then go to the top where the search bar is and tap there. What we then need to do is go and type in TikTok. We can search for it. And as you can see, there it is. I made a typo there. You can go to the right and you can go and press install, or tap on it and you can go and press install there as well. Now go and wait for it to go and download. You're going to go and see the progress here. The faster the internet is, the faster it will download. So mine's pretty quick, as you can see. When it's finished, that cancel is going to go and change to open. Just wait for it to install. It shouldn't go and take too long. As you can see, it now says open, or you can come out, swipe up, and you can go and swipe across your app pages and find it. Then you can go and tap on it to go and open it up. And before using it, you will need to create an account, or if you already have one, you can go and log in. We'll just wait for this to load, allow the permissions you need, and then I've already gone and logged in. We can go and start swiping up to start watching.